Gappsi installed resin-bond stones to fix the joints between this old patio. The old cement between the joints came loose, so we removed the old cement joints and refilled with the resin-bound stones. This product, it's imported from Italy. We used a urethane, one component product mixed with the stones, and created a new joint between all the stones in the patio. We also remodeled the pool. We did a new marble dust. We used a gray we just kind of kept the look of a pond. This pool was built to be a very natural setting, and the patio that was originally built, it's part of the natural look, so we kept all the stones on the patio just to refill the joints with the resin-bond stones. This is the latest Gappsi project built in Setauket, New York.